In this video, I'll guide you through how to target accountants with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a product or service that's designed for accountants, creating a well-targeted audience can help you reach more relevant people and make your advertising budget more effective. While Facebook's targeting options have changed over time, you can still build an audience that is focused on accounting professionals. Keep in mind that Meta continues to rely more heavily on its AI-powered delivery system, so in the future, your ad creative may play an even bigger role in reaching the right audience. That means your images, videos, headlines, and copy should clearly speak to accountants and their specific needs. To get started, open Facebook Ads Manager and sign into your account. From the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and select Audiences. Once you're there, choose the option to create a saved audience. This is where you'll build an audience that you can reuse in future advertising campaigns. Begin by giving your audience a descriptive name, such as accountants, so it's easy to recognize later. If your offer is only available in a specific region, enter the appropriate location. For example, if you're only serving customers in California, select that state as your target area. If audience expansion is enabled, turn it off so your targeting remains as specific as possible. Next, review the age, gender, and language settings. These are optional, but if your campaign is intended for English-speaking users, you can set the language accordingly. After that, scroll down to the detailed targeting section. If Advantage Plus Audience is enabled, switch to it first, then return to the original audience options so you can manually customize your targeting. Now begin adding interests, job titles, and related demographics that are connected to accountants. Examples include accountant, certified public accountant or CPA, chartered accountant, tax accountant, forensic accountant, accounting specialist, and accounting officer. Continue adding relevant options until your estimated audience reaches a reasonable size for your campaign. Once you're satisfied with your audience, click Create Saved Audience. Facebook will save it to your account, making it available whenever you create a new campaign. The next time you're setting up an ad, simply choose this saved audience during the audience selection step, and your campaign will be optimized toward the accounting professionals you've defined. This gives you a faster and more consistent way to reach your ideal customers with future Facebook ads.